The other day, put a line across here and said that this was the bottom. All right, ended up actually coming down about what, 4 more cents. Okay, this is definitely this is a bottom for ADA. I mean, this was an ABC correction right over here. We can measure this out. Did an extended C leg apparently, just a little bit here. All right, you had your A, B, C right in here. Okay, this thing ended up coming up. What was the pullback on this? This should be the move up, guys. We've been waiting for this for a very long time. ADA is one of my biggest holdings. Let's take a measurement on this. Okay, right. Yeah, I was looking for that 50% just up there, just a hair more up at 66. All right, ended up coming down here about 65. I have 3 cents. Ended up missing that bottom by about 3 cents. All right, but I definitely believe we are there. There's a trend line coming down through here. You're going to want to see broke. I can see it looks like we tapped it right down through here. Okay, once this thing breaks, look out. All right, comes right down through. Whoops, right about right on top there. Let me get this as best I can here. Third time's charm, right? Keep hitting that right button by accident. Let's just bring it on down through. Yeah, it's about right there. All right, you're going to want to see that get smashed through. Let's get this off here. Okay, we were pretty close, right? I mean, that's what we were basically around the area we were aiming for here. Now this first push up here, this looks like a 1-2. Now you should be starting 5 waves inside of this third wave here. All right, something like this here. You're going to be looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will all be inside of this big wave 1, 2, and this will all be your third wave coming up through here. 4 and 5. Now it's hard to say where exactly this price action will go to, but we're going to take a look here, okay, and try to get some ideas. Bitcoin is it's in a wedge formation right now, okay. I think this might be where the altcoins start breaking away from this thing. Somebody over in my Discord did put a fallen wedge on there. I didn't realize that he was out on the daily. I guess it kind of does fit. You kind of got a wedge formation coming down through here, right? And on a 4-hour, you have this bigger wedge down here also, okay? The big tell-all is going to be right here for Bitcoin, right? If it gets up through here, if it gets rejected up here at about 95.7, all right? These are daily closes over through here, all right? So 95, I call it 95. 720. Okay, if it comes up here and gets rejected and starts rolling over, then it's going to have a pretty decent tumble, maybe down to about 90,000 bucks. If it retakes that 95 725, all right, then there's a good chance this runs right up the top and out. We'll just have to see what happens. The only thing going against it right now is these higher RSIs. Okay, if you come out on the 8-hour, the 8 hours heading straight down, 12-hour heading straight down. Okay, so another big key right here, if it breaks this support that it came down and bounced off of here at 94.9, right? If you see that broke, that might be a good indication that it's pulling down also. All right, but it looks like the altcoins, everything besides Bitcoin, they might be pulling away here. We're going to expect that to come, when we hit this alt season here for sure. All right, looking for Cardano to blast up through this trend line. Potential. If this is a 1-2 here, and you can see the green candle starting here on this 4-hour. Let me check this retracement. If this was a 50%, then that's a very good chance that's a 1-2 or a 382. That'll work. Yeah, that's beautiful. All right, so definitely looking for that to break up through here. Some price targets I would be watching for ADA we take a fib and run it across here, right? You're looking for it first off to get back up to these retracement levels, right up in here, right up through what is that, about 97 to 91, you know, right up in this box. That would be my first target. Okay, if it gets up through there, you know, good news, because we've been expecting a run out of Cardano, right? It gets up through here and ends up breaking out of a dollar, you know, $1.03 even. That's up through your 786. Then it could be heading up towards $1.57 next. All right, it's looking good. You got your 4-hour RSI heading to the upside. 12-hour. 12-hour is 76 and a 68. It is bullish on the 12-hour. You got your daily heading straight up, 56 and a 44. And then your weekly. The weekly's trying to turn back to the upside. All right. And then monthly, 48 and a 55. All right, a little bearish on that monthly yet. Okay, but you got your weekly trying to turn back up. Your daily looks good. A break of that level right there. You can see it a little bit better on the daily here, right? This resistance line we're trying to put down through here. All right, that's right at about, what, about 84 cents. Okay, a break of 84 cents is good news. That would break this yellow resistance line here and get this thing into the upside. All right, that first target up at about 92 cents, and this upper area at about 96. All right, expecting it to get to this box at least. All right, then we'll talk about that after if we make it up through there. But could be heading up these higher targets also. You know, looking for a run out of ADA here. All right. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Please hit that like and subscribe. And I'll be back to you very soon.